So wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Forex Morning Call. It's a new trading day. It's Wednesday, 31 of August, the last trading day in this lovely summer month. Tomorrow, September 1st, and a new trading month. I hope you're doing good. You had a great and relaxing night and a wonderful and lovely and watchful new day, whatever there is around of you. I wish you a wonderful trading day and a business day, working day, family day, whatever there is with you. We stream this show here on Traders Yard. Good morning, Johan. Good morning here on YouTube also. Marius, good morning. Thomas also. Marius, greeting to Switzerland and lovely greetings to your wife. Unknown, of course. I hope both of you are doing good and you are follow the path of logic. Wonderful. Before we go to the charts, please be aware that I'm the German guy who is speaking English. So my English is colored by German. Please forgive me if I'm looking for some words or my grammar is not all the time the best. So I'm doing the best that you will understand what I try to explain, because this is the successor of the morning briefing show from Admirals, because they replaced me there through an analyst, Theo. So I decided to make my own show for the English-speaking community worldwide. So this is, if you want to follow the German one, you can always come to my DowHow community. There we speak German, of course. So, general risk warning: trading with stocks and financial assets like Forex can expose your capital to a substantial risk, possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment successes as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. So what do we expect today in numbers? Not that much. China is already done. We expect 11 o'clock some from the European Monetary Union, some numbers, and I guess more interesting as a prediction, the ADP employment change, because, you know, tomorrow we have the market data, you know, Jesus, now the word is gone. Non-farm payrolls, Jesus Christ, I'm getting old. So NFP tomorrow. And this afternoon from Canada, gross domestic product. So I don't care about those numbers, just to know if you're engaged in day trading, like 50 minutes, 5 minutes, something like this, then you should be aware of these numbers. So let's come to the charts. And as always, we start with the DAX 15 minutes for the day trader among of us. I can show you how you can make trend following, like I teach you in my online course. You can grab on my homepage if you want. So where we are, yesterday we had the point of control a little bit higher, 13,191. With this point, with this kind of sideways phase, you could see almost we hit the point of control from yesterday, and last night the point of control moved a little bit to the lower side. Here now we are 12,927. So the market is partially lower and lower and lower and lower, and expects always more lower prices as a kind of fair price, or we say the normal price here. So, but this is really interesting. Now the price is kind of fair. Again, let's see what we can expect. I guess people and the market will know and will wait for the non-farm payrolls on Friday or some other economy data. But the most important point is what's about the trend. And here we go. We are still an uptrend. Trend on number 6. Now you can imagine why I love this trend following system, because now you can see the perfect entry was in trend arm number 2, or latest in trend arm number 3 I showed you yesterday. And if you follow the trend, and you had a stop loss here, and then you make this money with this part. Yes, of course, you can say, yes, I go out here, then it's fine. It's your working style, but it's a little bit, could be a disadvantage for you in case we will see this, because there's no break, because just fake. And if you see this, then it's not, based on the rules, it's not allowed to go long here again. Why? Why is it not allowed? Because trading is a game of mathematics, which means zero-sum game. So you need a mathematic edge. So if you are kind of trend follower, yeah, then your entry is between trend of number 2 and 4. And I explain exactly in the online course, why is it? Of course, you can enter the chart in every single trend on whatever you want. But the moment you break the rules is the moment you will lose money on the long run. That's the point you have to understand. So if you work with the kind of soft stop here, then you are still in and you still can follow the trend. And basically there is actually no downtrend, just only this one trend. So Thomas, good morning. Cayetano, good morning. And Doreen, lovely good morning too. Okay, so that's the trend here in DAX 15 minutes, still long, no downtrend. So I hope you are a part of, or you had your profit with this uptrend here. Higher time frames, 4-hourly chart, still in short. And I told you, yeah, entry here again in trend of number 3, money. Yeah, all trend following, entry trend of number 2, stop loss 0.3. Just let it go for the moment. Another Dory, good morning. Nice to have you here. So, and now there is no uptrend, there is no corrective trend, so there is nothing to do for the moment in DAX 40. Dow Jones, I told you yesterday, trend of number 3, it's my duty to open the trade. And of course, we got in yesterday. Basically, there is just fake breakouts on the lower side. I trailed the stop loss into the profit. Feel free, I cannot lose money anymore. So let's see what happens next. Bitcoin, yeah, also trend of number 4, but you see just fake breakouts. It's still in the trend of number 4. It's too late. To be honest, it's too late. Let's wait for the next uptrend. Oh, basically, if you trade Bitcoin in daily chart, then there. Let's check it out. Should we do this? Yeah, of course. Well, let's do it in daily chart. I feel more safe in daily chart. It's because I don't have time really. I don't have really time for 4-hourly chart. So you know what? Let's see. Let's open a trade because there is my signal. Why is there a signal? Simple. Trend of number 2. Balance candle. It's simple. Trend following, simple. Find a young trend, find a second trend arm, find your balance candle, entry order. Don't think about it. Just like a checklist. Check, 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 go. Yeah, nothing to, there's no reason to think about. There is nothing to analyze. Oh, Bitcoin, oh, crypto, oh my gosh. Of course, you can do this, but there is no advantage if you do this. You know the biggest disadvantage? Wasting of precious lifetime. So if you take your time and spend it with your lovely woman, with your girlfriend, with your wife, and drink coffee with her or have fun with her, whatever you do, it's much better than analyzing and interpreting and predictioning something like this. It's more better. Believe me, I know what I'm talking about because I lost my family about this stupid fucking trading bullshit here. So next one, gold chart, 4-hourly chart. There is no uptrend, still in a downtrend. You see, there was the perfect entry yesterday, like in Dow Jones. Yeah, so yeah, perfect entry there. Maybe trading stop loss in profit. Let's see about the daily chart. In daily chart, we are still down. Yeah, there is nothing to do. Euro dollar. still in down. We made money with trend up number 2, just waiting for trend up number 3. But actually, we can see there are a bit of rising prices. In euro, we are up to the parity again, 1.0038. Actually, so we reached the parity again. We're a little bit higher. Maybe it was another test from the parity on the lower side. So let's see. So in 4-hourly chart, actually, for the moment, there's nothing to do. But we have trend up number 2, guys, in 4-hourly chart. That means for the next balance candle, there must be a stop sell order. If you trade in daily chart, then trend up number 3, a little bit too late, I would say. Exactly, Marius. Marius is my youngest student, actually, in the trading course. And he said it's kind of eye-opening to see the logic in trading. And it's indeed, it's kind of relieving. It's a kind of liberating feeling. And there is no stress anymore. There you will find a sweet spot, not too less stress, not too much stress, the sweet spot. The sweet spot, it's well known in psychology, guys. Yeah, it's not the sweet spot you're looking by your wife your whole fucking life. It's not that sweet spot. It's the stress level sweet spot. Yeah, not too less stress, not too much stress. That's a sweet spot. But follow the path of logic is really a kind of liberating feeling. Liberation, of course. So British pound, US dollar, trend up number 4. It's too late for a new entry. And if you trade in daily chart, still down, nothing to do. Oh, by the way, check it out. 10 trend arms, 10. Yeah, this is why I love damn it trend following. Check it out. Shit, 10 trend arms. Yeah. And you can see, for example, if you checked in here in trend arm number 2, for example, and here we go right now, we're talking about 2,174 pips, 2,174 pips, one lot. We are talking about $21,000. With one mini lot, we're talking about 2,174 euros, yeah, or dollars. However, you see, that's trend following. This is what I want to teach you. But you should trust the system, and to trust, you need experience. And how you can grow up with experience? If you trust it, if you do. If you don't do it, you don't make experience. If you don't have experience, you cannot trust. That's the point. So that's the, how should I say, that's kind of market overview. Let's see about the running trades. It's Australian Canadian. Coming back a little bit in profit, almost reached a 0.2, but it's not, it's too less space to trail the stop loss in profit. So just let it go for the moment. Everything is fine. Euro British pound. Yeah, going on. That's cool. Really big in profit. And now, guys, it's time to trail the stop loss into the profit zone. And now you are safe. You can make a partial profit if you want, and you are safe. And then let the market go. Let the market decide how much you will get for the rest of your money. Euro JPY, lovely in profit for the moment. We have enough space to go up to the 0.3. Just let it go. I trailed my stop loss into the profit because then I'm safe. With the full position, by the way, I don't make partial profits, but that's professional trading. You will learn in my community, by the way. So if the price is coming down, then I don't have a loss and I can make a re-entry. Be careful. Be careful. There is a downtrend also. Be careful. Just keep in mind. Euro Kiwi. Yeah, we opened the trade yesterday because we are trend on number 2. Everything's fine. Stop loss a little bit lower. Pound JPY is still circling around. Nothing to do. Pound Kiwi still circling around the entry. Let's see. Nothing to do. Kiwi JPY also circling around the entry. That's the hard stuff in trading, yeah? To hold that out, yeah? To stay on the sideline. This, we call it in trading the do nothing stage, the do nothing. Yeah. And okay, guys, the man among us, we know what it means to do nothing. Yeah. We have the biggest box in our mind is the nothing box. Yeah. If your wife is asking you, what are you thinking, what you're thinking, darling, about what you say, nothing. Women don't have this box in their mind. That just only guys have this mind. So we think nothing. Now it's indeed, it's the fact. And we in trading, we have the do nothing stage. Yeah. So do nothing and stay on the sideline. US dollar, Canadian dollar, lovely profit. We reached the last 0.2. Yeah. Maybe we get a new trend continuation. Profit, everything is fine for the moment. So what's on the watch list? Still on the watch list. We have Aussie Swiss. Just waiting another balance candle, but it looks like that the correction extends for the moment. Yeah, but there is a stop sell order. Let's see. Aussie JPY, yeah, still waiting for an entry in short, but it looks like that an uptrend will continue, by the way. Canadian Swiss, still waiting for an entry for short. It's trend on number 2. Kiwi Cat, pending order this morning, yesterday, trend on number 2, guys. Balance candle yesterday, stop buy on the way up. Kiwi dollar, trend on number 3. I guess we can do this also. And entry here on the way up by a stop buy order. Dollar Swiss, just waiting for the next balance candle. Yeah, and bond market, nothing. And NASDAQ, we are waiting for a balance candle. Caetano, good morning. Greetings to Portugal. Thanks for joining the course. I wish you a lot of enlightenments in the course. And feel free, yeah, with an open mind. The best, you erase everything what you heard in the past and just focus on the course. Stop watching other things, other webinars, just focusing on the course and learn. And if you're done, then we're talking about how we can go on. So do you mind to see US S&P 500 daily? Of course. There we go. S&P 500, where you are. Here we go. In daily chart. Yeah, still trend on number 3. And you see a perfect, lovely chart. Lovely, look. Perfect entry anywhere here in trend on number 2. And you could make money here on this move. And it's enough to trail the stop loss into profit, so you cannot lose money. And if you will see there a turnaround with a new balance candle, for example, then we can make a re-entry. That's cool. The downtrend does not longer exist because it's broken. Just only one trend, and this is up. And this gives me a little bit hope that we see rising prices on the way up. Yeah, because there does not exist any time frame. Any downtrend, sorry for this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was my part. Let's go back. DAX 15 minutes, still going up, still going up. And now I wish you a really, really lovely trading day, business day, whatever there is. Have a lot of fun. Be watchful with your mind. Stay in the now. Don't stick in your thoughts in the past. Don't be worried about the future, because the future is in your hand with the seeds you plant today. Think about it. Cool stuff. I wish you a happy, happy day. Have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See ya tomorrow.